Hi guys, so I want to change the bedding. Yes. So today is Saturday and I'm not working. So something that I regret is buying this bed on Facebook. It was a second hand and it's not in good condition. So when I have money, I will buy a new bed. But for now, we can use what we have. That's the reason I have a lot of layers below. I've got this blanket, I've got this, and I've got the electrical blanket. It helps me a lot. So yeah, let's put in the new bed sheets. Oh, nice and soft. What? What are you? Which side is which? Okay, it's lighter than I thought. That's my bird. I don't know what this is. Let's see. Oh, pillowcases. Oh, that means you guys need to go. You guys need to go. I'm gonna wash them. I need to get new pillows, by the way, because I only have 2 pillows and they're not in good condition. But I need to get brand new pillows. Okay. Beautiful. Another one. Don't judge my pillows, please. I've thought about it because I want to destroy my couch, so I'm gonna sew my own pillows. I'll use other pillowcases. I have pillowcases that I can use. Okay, so I don't know if I should use this Duvet again or I need to wash it before. I'm gonna use it. So this is the Duvet that I'm going to use. It must be gray, my favorite color. Everything's gray. I bought this on Facebook as well, guys. That's how pretty I am. There you go. Okay. Put this in. We're done. Let me show you how it looks like. This the end. This is my bed. I really need to get pillows. I need pillows. I need another stand this side, and yeah, this I also need a drawer. This one I'll give it to Faith, and I also bought this one from my colleague. She was moving, she was relocating, so I bought this one from her. But yeah, so yeah, this is it, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.